Turn on captions for the best experience. Hello, Conquerdroid here. I wanted to do something a bit different for this round. I've done 6 cinematics in a row, and that last one, I thought my score was bad. But then I saw these two. What, the actual fuck? That's absolutely the worst score ever given in Runway Project, and
How can you do this? This is outrageous. It's unfair.
Take a seat, young Conquerdroid.
But anyway, I thought I'd walk you through the process of creating one of my videos. To do this, you need to have a plan, an idea of what you want to do. I've been doing a running story through my Season 4 videos, which some call the Conquerdroid Cinematic Universe. I'll continue that. You've got to get the plane into Blender. Once you do that, the materials need to be made. This is quite important, as that determines the style of the whole animation. When playing with these options, it's important to use restraint, something I didn't do when I originally started messing with materials. One benefit of doing this carefully is you get to know the craft, what angles look good, how the reflections look, etc. At the end of the last entry, I had sliced a Star Destroyer in half. I have to introduce this round's plane, but because of time limits, I can only make one scene. The hardest part about animation is the polish. I try to polish my animation as much as possible, and most importantly, the camera. I'll spend hours working on the camera and animation for a single scene. The camera needs to have weight and move in a believable manner. It needs to adjust for changes in its surroundings, and the rest of the world needs to follow the same principles as well. Doing animation, especially on the Runway Project timescale, is a balance between quantity and quality, and I almost always bias towards quality. But anyway, that's the work needed for just a single scene. Typically, I spend around 12 to 20 hours working on a single video, and render times push that up to 50. For the last video, Season 4 Round 6, over 100 hours was spent working on and rendering the video by the entire team, so you can see why I'm a bit miffed over our scores. Lol.